What's up guys, welcome back to the question set 44 of the series of dbms 1. So here we have another question. So let's get started. The principal of Ranabima School in Kandy intends to create a software to enter the information of teachers and students in that school. You are entrusted with the task of creating this software. Your team is asked with developing the database of this software. Database development work is shared between you and everyone on the team. You are asked with the storing student and teacher information, creating the tables needed to store the subjects that teachers teach and the subjects that students learn. Use the instructions below to create it. So the first question says create a database using the name of the school database as Ranabima School DB. Use DDL Query to create this database. So here I'm going to use command line. So here I'm going to type MySQL command line command. So here I'm going to give the password. So here I am connected to the MySQL. So here we have to create the database Ranabima School DB. So create database Ranabima School DB. So let's see whether I have created the school. So I am here in the ID SQL. So here you can see I have created Ranabima School DB database. So let's move to the next question. The second question, principal has decided to include the information of grade 9 students in the first phase of this software. Create a student table to store student information. Follow the instructions below to create this table. Use DDL Query to create this table. So here we have to consider these data types as well as this length as well as these special features, not null, primary key and not increment. So let's get started. So this is the DDL query. So here I have written create table student, and I have given the specific column name including their data type and length. So here I have student ID int, primary key not null and auto increment, first name, last name, gender, contact number, class. So before creating a table we have to first select the database. So we can type use Ranabima DB. So then we have to create a table. So let's see whether the table has been created. Here you can see the student table here. So let's move on to the next question. Third question, create a school data table to store teacher details. So same as before, we have to create the teacher table. So here we have the same table as before. Create table teacher ID, first name, last name, gender, contact number and email. So now let's see whether the table has been added. Here you can see the teacher table has been created. So let's move on to the next question. The principal has decided to include the main subjects that the student will learn in the first phase of this software. So we have to create the subject table. So here also we have create table subject, subject ID and subject name. Here you have the data type and primary key, not null and auto increment. So I just executed the DDL query. So let's see whether the table has been created. Here you can see subject table. So that's it for the question set 44. See you soon from the next question set.